Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm trying to learn Java completely from ChatGPT and AI in general. Currently, I'm working on a hangman game, and this is what I got so far. So basically, you can just play hangman where the word is Java. So if I type in B, it'll tell me I failed. If I type in J, it'll show me how much I've gotten. And I can fill in, it'll tell me when I win. So, yay! So, I need to obviously do a lot of finishing touches. First of all, I need to make sure whatever you input, the first character, first of all, I need to make sure you input a string. So I need to look into that. I also need to make sure that you don't input the same character on two different occasions. That way you won't accidentally guess A multiple times. Or I can simply create some kind of way of storing the letters you've shown with something like a hash map, just so the user knows what they use so far, because I don't feel like I should have to stop them. So I think for storing my items, it would be good to probably use the linked list, because it's a dynamic amount and you can just add to it. So I think I'm gonna first import java.util.linked list. I need to make it so it'll add it. So I'll say use character dot add, and then all I have to do is just say letter. Now I need to loop through the characters after each time. I can't remember the syntax. How do you loop over a linked list in Java? I forgot how to get the head. But let's just go with this one. So I'll just use a enhanced for loop. So let's copy and paste this because I know what it does. So I'm allowed to do that, okay? Oh. And then I think I need to print a line right here to avoid confusion. I'm too lazy to fix it out always in a comma because I'm lazy. I can do that later. But for now, I have a working copy. It tells you all the ones you've used. It'll tell you when you win. So I think the next step is obviously to see what happens if I type in an integer. Well, because I'm not completely sure what happens if I say 1. I guess nothing bad happens. Except, technically you would want it to make sure that you would always do a character, but I feel like I should punish my users for being clever and trying to break things. Okay, so now let's just try playing this game. Let me think of an interesting word. Let's use Python. I'll say A, it'll say I failed. I'll say E, like a logical person. I'll go to I, and I'm like, oh shoot, I'm gonna die. But then eventually I go on O. I'm still confused, so I just try other stuff like S. Makes me realize that Python is kind of a hard word. But, oh my god, I got lucky. I did P. And my brain is absolutely dead, so I do B, because why not? I only have 2 tries left. And in an act of desperation, I do T. And then I figure it out. Like a genius. So yeah, that seems like quite a bit. The next step is obviously to make it so it'll choose a random word from a txt file, but that'll require some more skill, and I feel like diving into that tomorrow. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hopefully you subscribe. Anyways, bye bye.